Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss another matrix question. Hope you have watched the previous two videos. This is the third session of the matrix. In this session, we are going to discuss 4 into 4 matrix. Write a program to input 4 into 4 matrix and print the sum of each row and each column. Again, very important question. So for demonstration, I have created a matrix in the Excel. Now look at this. This is one row, this is another row, this is third row, this is fourth row. There are 4 rows and there are 4 columns. So what is the question? Sum of each row. This is the first row. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So we have to print the 10 over here. This is the sum of first row. And parallelly and simultaneously, we have to calculate the sum of first column also. This is a first column. And what about the element 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is the sum of first column. Now again, we will see the next row. This is the another row. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. This is the sum of second row. Okay. Okay. Now what about the second column sum? 6 plus 2, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? What about the third row sum? 6 plus 5, 11. 1, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the sum of third row. What about the third column sum? 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now what about the last row sum? 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. This is the question. And what about the last column sum? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. This is the question. Let me cross check. Just a moment. Okay, fine. Perfect. Sum. Okay. 8, 12, 18, and 22. Perfect. We have cross-checked. Exact calculation is perfectly okay. Now, how to prepare this program in the Java? Without wasting the time, immediately copying this question, and come to BlueJ environment, right click, sum of each row and column. I always take the meaningful name of the program. Okay. Let me clear all this. Pasting the question, class, sum of each row and column, right? Then we have to take public static void main string args. Now we have to take the scanner class for taking the input from the user. Okay. Then we have to construct the matrix. So I'm taking the matrix of 4 cross 4. 2 square bracket is equal to new int 4, then again 4. Then we have to take RC and we have to take some R and some C. Some R stand for sum of row and some C stand for sum of column. Okay. Now we can take 0, 0 initially. Always we assign the 0 when we take any variable related to the summation. one important package we have to import, java.util.scanner for a scanner class. Now, input part. Input the matrix. This is comment. So for r is equal to 0, r less than equal to 3, we know that the array started from 0 to length minus 1 and r plus plus. I personally recommend you must watch the previous two videos for the strong concept of the matrix. And 3 and C++. Okay. Now we have to input the matrix. System.out.print. Enter element in the matrix. Then RC is equal to ob.next int. Okay. Input part is over. Now we can start the processing. We can start processing directly, or we can display the matrix and after that we can do the processing. Both the things can be happen. If we display the matrix, you can cross-check your answer. What is the matrix and what is the row and what is the column? Okay, but this is optional part. Okay, wait. So I'm just printing the matrix for better checking. So my program is that write a program to input 4 into 4 matrix, then display the matrix, and after that print the sum of each row and each column. This is a question. And R++, and for C is equal to 0, and C less than equal to 3, and C++. In this program, I'm simply printing the matrix. Okay. After some time, we can remove this program. हम इसे remove भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. Just a moment. System.out.println. Now my matrix is printed. And we can write one comment. Okay. Not a comment. I can simply write matrix display. Now we can start our actual processing part, the sum of each row and each column. We can copy these two loops because it will be needed. Okay. Just a moment. Now, how to calculate the sum of each row and each column? Logic is simple. Sum is equal to sum plus n of R, C. First R, then C. So it will calculate the sum of each row. Now, how to calculate the sum of each column? Sum is equal to sum plus n, first C, then R. Okay, just reverse, just swap the row and column. Then you will get, it will calculate the sum of each column, right? Now, the second most important point, this sum, okay, one second. We have to take, we have taken the two different variables, sum R, sum C. So here we have to use sum R and sum C. Sum R stands for sum of row and sum C stands for sum of column. And here we have to print. After the inner loop, please remember, after the inner loop के just बाद हमें sum of row और column को print करना होगा. We cannot print after completing the outer loop. If we print after completing the outer loop, then it will print the sum of entire matrix. Print ln sum R and sum C. Okay. Then after that, one more important statement. Sum R will be 0 and sum C will be 0. Why? Because after completing the sum of first row and first column, we have to empty the variable of sum R and sum C. So the another row, another column will not be mixed, will not be added with the previous variable. Okay, I think all the major part has been covered. Let me compile the code. Perfect. There is no error. Now I want to execute it. Right click. Running the code. The program is asking the elements. I've given the 1, then 2, then 3, then 1, 2, 3. I'm taking small numbers for easy calculation. 2, 3. You can input any number. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, C. C. The answer is coming properly, but I need some more concentration on the presentation. Just 1 second. The first row is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And what about the first column? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. This is the sum of first row. This is the sum of first column. Similarly, this is the sum of second row. This is the sum of second column. We can cross check. Sum of second row, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And this is the column. Okay, just wait for a minute. Let me change the format. Just 1 minute. Clear all this. Close it. I'm doing some sort of formatting. First of all, at the time of printing, I just want to make some gap. Okay, and here I want to print one statement, sum of R plus 1 row. You will see, now you will see a proper output. Just a moment. Sum of R plus 1 plus col. Okay. Now see what will happen. The whole format will be changed. Let me compile. There is no error. There is no error. And here in this, that's perfect. Just a moment. Right click. Okay, see. I'm taking the input from the user 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay. See. Just a moment. This is the first row. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. This is the sum of first row. And what about the first column? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Perfect. This is the sum of first call. Call stand for column. Now what about the second row? Second row. This is the second row. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. This is the second row sum. What about the second column? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Perfect. We have cross-checked. Answer was, earlier the answer was correct, but that was unformatted. Now the answer is coming with the formatting. Okay, let me explain what I've done. See, here, after completing the sum, we know that R will be 0. And the matrix always started with 0. But we are printing the actual row. The actual row is 1, not the 0. In the reality, if we see the reality check, this is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the first column. This is the second column. This is the third column. So I have printed R plus 1. So the row will be increased by 1. So the real value will be print. Similarly, the real column will be print. Okay. This is the sum R. This is the sum C. So this is the sum of first row. This is the sum of second. This is the sum of first column. And after completing this, I'm printing both the values, and this value will be set at 0. Okay. That's it. That's it. This is absolutely fine. And I don't think any further explanation is required. What we can do, just a moment. What we can do, we can write this program in a very, very shortcut manner. What are the shortcut manner? I just want to comment everything. Means I don't need all this. I don't need all this. Okay. Simply in this loop, we can do that. In this loop, we can do that. Suppose I don't need this loop. मुझे ये loop नहीं चाहिए. So I can remove it. That was fine. That is perfectly fine. जो solution मैंने आपको दिया है वो बिल्कुल ठीक था. वो बिल्कुल ठीक था. उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट अगर आप चाहें कि इसको हम शॉर्ट कर लें, टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास, तो ये लूप तो हमारा इनपुट का है. इट कैन नॉट बी रिड्यूस. ये रिड्यूस नहीं हो सकता. इसमें हम कुछ चेंज कर सकते हैं. इसमें क्या है कि हम मैट्रिक्स प्रिंट नहीं करा रहे. ठीक है. आई एम नॉट प्रिंटिंग द मैट्रिक्स. Simply I am writing the logic. Sum R is equal to sum R plus n of RC, and sum C is equal to sum C plus nRC. Okay, that logic I have written a separate loop. Now I'm writing in this loop here. Println sum R and sum C. Okay, perfect. Now if you want to print the sum of first row, sum of first column, you can add it, but it's also fine. Okay, it will generate the same output, but you will be unable to relate your answer is coming right or wrong. I will show you. Just a moment. I will show you what is the difference between this program and that program. Then you will better understand. See, I'm typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, see, answer is coming. Answer is coming, but matrix is not displaying. So it will be difficult to calculate this is the right answer, this is the wrong answer. But just a moment, I can try. I can try. This is the 4 into 4 matrix. So this is first row, first column. Then this is first row, second column. This is first row, third column. This is first row, fourth column. यहां तक हमारा फर्स्ट रो कंप्लीट हुआ. देन 5, 6, 4, 3, यहां तक हमारी सेकेंड रो कंप्लीट हुई. देन 2, 1, 1, 2, ये कंप्लीट हुआ. ठीक है. नाउ 3, 4, 5 और 1. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट रो? 4 + 3 7 8 9 10. ओके, लेट मी चेंज द पेन. आंसर तो हम कहीं ना कहीं से ड्राइव कर लेंगे. ठीक है. अब ये कॉलम का सम 5 + 1 6, 6 + 2 8, 8 9 10 11. Okay, I'm just checking only the first row and first column to cross check our answer. Okay, sorry, it will be 10. 5 + 1 6, 6 + 3 9 + 1 10. Okay, now you can see this is the first row sum, this is the first column sum. Perfectly. It is absolutely perfect. It is absolutely perfect. No problem. Okay, fine. So this is all about the sum of each row and each column. That's it for today's lecture. Okay, in the next lecture, we will see some more example of the matrix. Thanks to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can post it.